guys, so I'm gonna do a charity mow here. I mowed this like 2 days ago and it is got 2 days of growth on it. I don't know if I would necessarily need to mow it, but I'm gonna mow it anyways. So I'm just gonna check the reel to bed knife on this sucker. So it looks like I got some kind of string or something right here. So I'm just pulling this out of here, unwinding it. That looks like a piece of plastic tarp. I don't know where that thing come from. So that when it doesn't cut, you adjust it right here, one click at a time. So I've got good reel to bed knife contact. It's cutting good. And so now I'm going to put gas in her, start her up and go. This little filter right here, this is the fuel filter or some kind of fuel sediment, something or other. This tends to get clogged up. So all the nasty gas kind of goes in there and all the dirty stuff kind of falls to the bottom. And I find you gotta kind of check that regularly and dump out the nasty grass or the nasty gas, and it seems to work fine after that. What are you doing, pal? Oh, don't go, no! Stay out, pal. I need you out here with me.
What?
Just cause. You're good.
Did you fix the 110?
So I also need to put some gas in here. Like this. Don't ever do this on the grass, folks. You could risk killing your lawn. That ought to be enough. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. So that's good. I actually do like these shear cans. I'm actually going to recommend these. So let's get in the charity mow. Go for it. So I just made 2 trim passes all the way around, and this thing's probably about a little less than a quarter full clippings. So 2 days ago, we mowed in this direction, and then I mowed in this direction with the buddy that came by. And so now I'm gonna mow in this direction, and I've got to go do some other things, so probably won't be doing a double cut or anything like that. I may go for the double single or the single double. I love that pattern so much. Over here mowing, I come over here and I see these seed stalks right here for some grass. There's some grass growing in here, and I see some serious stalks going on. See how big that is? That can't be in there. Got a monster dandelion in this bush. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out of there. I'm gonna try it like this. Can't spray it because if I spray it, it'll kill this bush. Ooh, I think I got her. I got her. Look at that. So look how long that taproot is for this big dandelion. That thing, the dandelion was like this tall, huge thing. Who knows the feeling of satisfaction when you pull a weed and you have a taproot that's over a foot long. That's probably 14 inches long. Awesome feeling, I tell you. Then there's nothing worse than when you pull on a weed and it just breaks off the root. That is a pisser for sure. So now I feel okay that I can go back to the mow and finish the mow. So I come over here and look at the stripe situation over here. It's just disgusting. Okay, I'm sorry to say, but that's just rotten. Looks bad, looks terrible, and so I need to fix that. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and say that was an awesome mow job, because it really wasn't an awesome mow job. Those stripes are freaking terrible, and I've got some serious issues with truck. Go away, car. Go away, car. Hey! Thanks, guys. Just keep working. You'll get there. Yeah, thanks a lot. See you later. So the mower just kind of wants to just go left and right. You can't hold it straight. I don't know if it's because the ground is soft, it's saturated with water. It rained heavy yesterday. I'm not sure how much water we got, but it was like 10 minutes of really heavy rain, and the whole thing was just soaked and saturated, but the lines just are not straight. I need to do some top dressing, and I would like to try to get that done here pretty soon. I need to find somebody with a top dresser that's close to me, or I need to get a top dresser or something of that nature. These freaking cars are constant. They just drive by and drive by and drive by. That's the dude right there that's got the old, he's got the old shop over there with the motorcycles and the camper and all the fun toys, and he's the sorry sucker that got me on to those motorcycles. I ended up getting that little small one, got one for my size. Just tends to be a slippery slope with those motorcycles, but I'm happy with the turnout on that for the most part. It's decent. As for the amount of clippings that I got, this thing is totally full, so it probably only filled the basket one time. It's only cutting off about 1/8 of an inch. So that is very, very good. That's what you want when you're cutting low. You need to cut more often. I cut this 2 days ago, and technically this would be like a charity mow. I gotta go run to one of the sisters' houses here. I told her I'd help her with her washing machine. We'll see if we can get that thing fixed. So that's it for now. Maybe I'll be back later, but if I'm not, I will see you guys in the next video. So now I got to figure out some tools to bring along for the journey. I do not know what I should bring to fix the washer. I don't know. I'm gonna go in the garage and figure out something. So here's the stuff I ended up getting. So I just got a smorgasbord of stuff. Hopefully that's enough to kind of do what we need to do to diagnose the problem, figure out what we need to do to fix the issue. And I guess we'll go from there and see what we got.